Guys, this is also a house. Okay, can we go inside?
These are the white people that are named Igbos.
We should
Visiting.
walk to England. We should walk from Africa to England. Wait, there's just one problem.
Sure, you want to sleep here? It's just not what you used to.
Do you guys like it?
Mama.
It's good. That's the typical Igbo house in Nigeria
Oh, is this,
in those older days.
oh really?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Nigeria?
Yes.
Cool.
Not only in Nigeria, but there's so many other places in Africa.
Okay, cool.
You know, that's how they started, but now things have really changed.
Yeah, I'm sure. That's cool though.
Yes.
This is pretty big.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where's the other one?
It keeps it pretty cool too.
Yeah.
Yeah, it keeps a lot of the history.
Yeah.
You know. Yeah, all these mats are all made from the farm. You know, raw materials from the forest.
Cool.
What are they? Is it grass? Is that what they make them out of? Or?
Well, yeah, it's from the palm trees. I don't know if you know about palm trees.
Right. Yeah.
Yeah, they take that, dry it a little bit, and then they can put it all together.
Cool.
That's for goats. It's a pan. It's goat pan. That's a ram. You see the goat? You see the goat? Like the one you saw in Nigeria, right?
Yeah, the one I dropped on the floor.
Huh?
Yeah, the one I dropped